Factorization example 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Multiply the coefficient of x square with the last number 4 for the 16. Divide 16 by two numbers so that we get the sum of two number is 8. Therefore 4 for the 16. 4 plus 4 8. Now 4x square minus instead of 8 we have to write here 4 plus 4 into x plus 4. 4x square minus 4 into x 4x minus plus minus 4 into x 4x plus 4. Here take common 4x 4x is common. Inside x remains minus 4x 1 is 4x minus here take common 4 inside x minus plus minus 4 1 is 4 x minus 1 take common x minus 1 common inside 4x here minus 4 this equal to x minus 1 here 4 is there therefore 4 take as common x minus 1 inside x minus 1 x minus 1 into x minus 1 4 as it is x minus 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole square is answer.